So today I'm gonna be trying on this necklace. It's supposed to like get rid of sagging. Well, not get rid of it, but like help it lift it up. Um, so I'm gonna be testing this out for y'all to see like my honest opinion on it. And let's see. It's just stuff in here. Uh, Okay, let's try. Actually, let's try this. I'm gonna see if it has a sticky residue, if you know it doesn't hold. Apparently you can put it over makeup and everything too, which is nice. Let me see. So you're supposed to, I won't, it's not like I have any, but we can test. So far, like no stickiness here, but you're supposed to like hold it from, oh, my bad. This is the actual thing. Here it is. That's much more better. So you're supposed to stick it from here and push your neck back to there. It's hard to see a difference, honestly, but let's see for the double chin, you know, because I have one. Let's check that out and see if that, but it's not sticking or anything. I can like easily take it off. You don't even see it. Like I didn't put it on. It's coming off because I didn't put it on correctly back here. But if you do put it on correctly, you wouldn't have the problem that I currently have. Whoopsie. Let me see. It is hard to take off. Like it's hard to see where you have to strip it. That's the only issue I mainly have with this so far. Here it is. Yeah, you really need some nails to take this. So let's see. I'm gonna be more careful with this one. This is how it looks. If you want to see how it looks, it's like it's a little stretchy. So let's see. How would I do this for? How would I do this? I just have to keep doing it this side, I guess. Okay, we'll do that. But I'll do the other side. Ugh, it's hard to do it. Like, look, it gets all messed up. That's only, you have to be really careful with this. It does, like, once it gets stuck together, it's hard to, like, fix it. It really sticks together. See, like, look. So you have to have really gentle hands when handling this product. But I do peel it off. It doesn't leave any residue. You can put makeup over it because look how thin it is. You won't, like, if you put it on correctly, you won't be able to tell at all, which is nice. But I think this is like more for, like I said, people with that have wrinkles and stuff. I don't think it'll help with if you have a double chin or anything. Definitely more for the older audience. And it does have alcohol wipes, which is nice. That's nice. Especially like you're supposed to like clean the neck area before you apply it. So like if you haven't showered or you're in a place and it fell off, you need to like clean it up real quick just in case you're like out in an environment you're sweating. It would be bad. It's nice that there's alcohol wipes available to you. It's not a lot, so I do recommend if you're gonna be heavily using this to stock up on some alcoholic wipes that you can buy at the store or something. But yeah, this is a nice product for the people who need it. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm going to be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's going to be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun. And I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.